You have been blocked. If you're seeing this message when you're trying to create your account with PayPal, you are not alone, because when you check online, on Facebook, on Reddit, on social medias, you see actually a lot of people are recently been getting this message. And the first thing you have to confirm is what I've realized, this problem is usually common when you're using home fiber. Maybe you're having an internet and you're using a home fiber, and the IP address of your internet at home is flagged. Maybe you usually do a lot of accounts from it or something, but just know this is related to an IP address being flagged. Okay, so that is the first thing. Secondly, sometimes we have extension on our browsers. For example, me, I have a VPN. If that VPN is active, try to disable it and then try to create your account. Okay, or you can try to use another internet when you're trying to create this PayPal account again. So let me try to create this account again, and we see. Okay, sometimes you just have to reload your browser. For some reason, in my case, maybe I've ever seen it when maybe the internet goes off, then I switch to another internet. So they kind of PayPal detects like this random change of IP address. It can still actually block me. So that can be sometimes the reason. So in most cases, just try to refresh your page. It can clear itself like that. Okay. Other times, if it persists, because when you go on a page of PayPal and you take long to kind of proceed, sometimes actually that session is kind of suspended or expired. So just a refresh can help you out, like me. But sometimes you have to change the internet that you're using. Okay, like the internet provider, something like that. Now the problem comes if you're at home using a fiber, then that would be another tricky thing. Maybe you can put in a VPN, but using a VPN on PayPal is something that I really don't recommend. So I guess like you can try to just use temporary another internet to sign up, and that is it. All right. So that's what I can say. Let me know if this has helped you. So in other words, try to change the internet you're using. Two, try to refresh. If you're not in position to change the internet, just refresh your browser, close it, and then open it. Free for some others, you can just change, you can activate a VPN, change your IP address. But others want like a VPN on PayPal, you are actually calling for trouble. Okay, let me know if these steps have helped you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.